Hello guys, so I am too much excited about this airdrop because the Arkham Airdrop is the highest populated airdrop in the world in the crypto industry. How can you claim the Arkham Air tokens for free from the airdrop? So we can talk about in this video how can you claim the free Arkham airdrops from your mobile or your laptop. So join the Akram private. What is the Akram? Akram is a join private beta whitelist and get rewarded for the future ARKM tokens. So you have to be registered today and the first one who experience the ARKM regulation features. In this post, we will guide you through the process of claiming your Arkham airdrop token and participate in the Arkham token sales on Launchpad. So we have to go. How can you join the Arkham airdrops? Claiming the Arkham airdrops to earn your share of ARKM token through the airdrop. Follow these steps. First of all, you have to apply for the Arkham private beta whitelist. The link is given here. After then, you upon approval, check your email for Arkham access beta within 48 hours. Activate user will be rewarded with the additional ARKM tokens. After then, utilize the provided guide to navigate Arkham platform and explore its features. Click on the invite button. You can also invite your friends so you can also earn the ARKM tokens through referrals. After joining the ARKM tokens, you can joining the ARKM token sale on Binance Launchpad also. Create the account on Binance website if you have already. That's a good. Complete the verification process to completely regulate the standard, and then after then Binance Launchpad webpad and where the Arkham project is. Your Binance coin through the subscription period ensure your ARKM token has been allotted or not. Keeping an eye of update of the schedules and access ARKM token on your Binance wallet. This is the process where you how can you claim that ARKM token drops. Press the button for claim. Now I will giving this website link on the description so you can check it out easily and claim for free token ARKM token. Where the what is the price pool? Price pool is $15,000. That's mean you will get approximate $50 per person after claiming the airdrops. BNB token ownership. That's mean the if you have a ownership of BNB token, if you don't have, you can purchase it now. So after then you have to ownership of BNB token, you have to get the ARKM token for free as a Binance airdrop. Deadline is not applicable because this is a event based airdrop system. Here you can ARKM claiming the ARKM just you can refer your friends and inviting again and again, and then you can earn more and more ARKM tokens through referrals. So this is the process where how can you claim the ARKM tokens. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like channel hit that the subscribe button, and have a good day. Bye.